Hi everyone, my name's Ethan, and in this video we are going to be talking about promotions. Let's jump into it. Okay, so for promotions, we are going to go to products, promotions, and let's go ahead and look at just this 10% off promotion. A few things to note here. This is going to be the code that the customer actually enters in order to receive the promotion. The detailed description is going to display to the customer. So this actually just tells the customer in the shopping cart what the promotion is actually for. You can set a different start date or expiration date for the promotion. You can set a minimum amount for the promotion to be valid. So it's not going to be valid on any orders less than $5. You can also make it so that in order to use the promotion, somebody actually has to be logged in. So requires user is the way that you would do that. Promotion only valid for a particular user. This is a very, very useful field, mostly for the sake of testing. So for example, if you want to actually make a promotion, make it so that a random customer, passerby, isn't going to stumble upon the promotion. So you're going to just go ahead and use that contact picker to assign it to yourself. Additionally, maybe you need to comp maybe a class or something to a particular customer. So you can actually just hand them a promo code and make it only valid for that customer. It doesn't matter if they give it to their friends, family, etc. It's only going to be valid for that user. Maximum uses as well. So maybe, you have a promotion where the first 100 people to the website will be able to utilize that. Maximum per email, that is going to be how many times each particular email address is able to utilize a promotion. Generally, each user will have a unique email address. So this essentially locks it into making it so that only a particular email address can utilize a promotion a certain amount of times. Apply automatically is a fantastic option, but can also be a little bit dangerous. If you're going to set that, you need to make sure that you have some criteria. For example, you're not going to want to give just a blanket $100 off, no criteria, and also everybody gets it. But maybe if you did want to do something like that, it could be a $5 off and the first 25 people on the website to make an order can get that promotion, and it just is applied automatically, etc. Internal use only if you just want it to be for admin testing only as well, but still generally safer to just choose a specific user. Additionally, let's go ahead and skip over to the audience. This is going to be really useful in conjunction with the apply automatically option. So for example, you could make it apply automatically as long as they are a particular type of member. Additionally, you could make it apply automatically if they are only from a particular country, or you could make it excluding the apply automatically. You can make it so that only someone with that user type or membership will be able to utilize that promotion. Otherwise, you can make it so that only someone from a particular country, maybe United States and Canada, would be able to utilize that. So that is an option as well. And you can also do it by contact type. It's used for a few things. We won't go into that. Purchases, you can also make it so that a promotion is only valid based on past purchases by the customer. So for example, maybe the customer bought a particular holster, and now you want to give them a discount on a gun to go with it, or the other way around, something like that. And then you can actually choose how many days before they had to have purchased that product. Requirements. So these things must be in the order for this promotion to be utilized. So generally recommend not putting a huge list of different things, because then that huge list of different things, every single item is going to, or criteria rather, is going to need to be in the shopping cart for this promotion to be valid. There's also going to be some exclusions from the requirements. You'll notice that there are two exclusions tabs here. This one is going to be exclusions from the requirements. This one is exclusions from the rewards. Let's talk rewards. So there's a few different ways you can kind of go about things. If maybe you have a very, very specific list of products that you want to be in a promotion, one option that you could do would be to make a custom product category and then add only the products that you want to be discounted to that product category, and then simply specify the category, whatever that might be. So that might be one way to kind of go about things. You can set an order discount amount up here and here, if you only set your order discount amount in percentage up here and you don't have anything else in the rest of these fields and you try to make some exclusions, it's not going to really recognize those exclusions because these are going to be exclusions from the specific criteria rather than from the overall overarching reward, if that makes sense. So there's a few other things here. For a general 10% off, this is one way that you could do it. You could actually just go through and add specifically the particular types of products that you want to be included. Apply to requirements is a way to kind of make it so that you don't necessarily need to specify every single thing in here. Otherwise, you could get a little bit more specific with your individual product. You could paste a UPC. I think if I search for like a P365 XL, there will be some different options that show up for that. Set a 10% discount on that. So rec ? Is the same thing as apply to requirements. And then add ? actually based on the requirements could potentially add that product to the cart. So for example, if you wanted to give, well, maybe this isn't super accurate, you wouldn't give 100% discount on a, P365 XL, or not likely anyway. Let's say you have a P365 XL over here in your requirements, that has to be in your cart, but the reward is a particular holster for that particular gun. And you're just gonna automatically add it to the customer's cart as long as they're utilizing that promo code, and it's gonna be at 100% discount. So that's the way that that works. I do have an extensive article that goes over a lot of the use cases, potential scenarios, how to use that add and that rec button, written in pre-COVID times. So things like, buy 3 boxes of ammo, get 1 free, not really something super heard of right now. Other than that, if you do have any questions, that article is a great reference. It goes into a little bit more detail with some of this, but if you have any questions that either this video or that article can't seem to answer, feel free again to submit a ticket to help.coreware.com. And as always, we would love to get you situated. So thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.